What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So before I got into the video, I just wanted to bring up how much this channel has grown in the past few months. If you would have told me a few months ago that this channel would have, almost 5,000 subscribers by the end of November, early December, I would not have believed you. This is something that would not have been possible without you guys. So I just wanted to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys so much for showing your continued support of the channel. And it really encourages me to make more videos for you guys. So thank you guys a whole lot. I also wanted to go over a few comments that I came across in a couple of videos. They're honestly like pretty funny. They made me laugh a lot. So Hiroshi, you're hilarious. I just wanted to put this out here for you guys just so you know that, I do read your comments. I do interact with you guys. And I really encourage you guys to interact with the channel because it brings a lot of information that generally I can only spread myself so thin. So if I miss something, it's up to you guys to update me just so I can get it back out to you guys as fast as I possibly can. But yeah, these comments definitely put a smile on my face. So definitely keep it coming, guys. It really makes me happy. I also wanted to let you guys know that I am affiliated with Weebl. So if you're trying to get up to 4 free stocks, go ahead and check out the link in the description. If you open an account and deposit $100, you get up to 4 free stocks. So if that's something you're interested in, then go ahead and check out the link. So today I wanted to talk about Nano Dimension. No surprise there. And the fact that it has been trading above $7 now at this point. It went up all the way to, I think, around $7.50 in pre-market hours. And then, throughout the trading day, it made its way back there and it has been, staying there since. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on what I think about price action and just overall where the market could go in the short term. As far as price targets, we've already hit the $7 mark. Right now, what we are going to be looking for is a close above $7. It's a good sign to close above $7 because now it shows some more confidence with purchasing Nano Dimension at these price points. So the longer we stay in these price levels, the better it gets over time. So we do want to see slow movements. What we don't want to see happen is, like 100%, 200% rally from here. Like if Nano Dimension went to like $20 next week or some crazy thing like that were to happen, you better believe that the stock will come crashing down. It's not sustainable for a stock to keep going straight up in price, so we want to see healthy sideways movements with a lot of consolidation, even some pullbacks. And really, it's in your best interest for this to happen because if we see pullbacks, it primes the market for it to go up higher and create new highs. Plus, it gives you more time to average in your position. I also wanted to mention the importance of getting yourself educated on this company if you are interested in investing in them. No stock is 100% safe from heavy pullbacks. So in the event we see some kind of, substantial pullback, you have to know that this is mostly uncorrelated to the underlying company and it's just simply the stock price being beat down. So if we do see something along those lines, the only thing that's going to hold your conviction in your trades is having a good education and understanding about the company. Nano Dimension truly is an outlier in the stock market right now, and the way the price action is looking is not comparable to any of the other stocks I've seen. I did again buy more shares today. I bought 25 shares at I think a little bit above $7. It's not a bad thing to average in your position, guys. Even if the stock is moving up, as long as you're constantly adding to your portfolio, if you want this to be a substantial part or part of your portfolio at all, it is a good practice to just average in over time. Now, if you're in the middle of trying to diversify your portfolio a little bit more, I would highly recommend looking at Nano Dimension because these guys, again, are an outlier in the stock market. There's no company comparable to what they're doing. So if you're trying to narrow down your portfolio to say maybe 5 or 6 companies that you want to heavily invest in, I would definitely include Nano Dimension among these. So right now, at the time of this recording, it is 1:38 p.m. Central Standard Time. The price is currently running up to, around $7.70, 60 cents. And we are well above the $7 marker on the price chart. If you watched my last video yesterday, I mentioned that if it did run up past $7 and potentially get close to $8, what we want to see is some kind of minor pullback and to test the $7 level again. The longer we stay around the $7 price range and even trade sideways, if we come under $7 and then pull back above $7 again, this is going to be, again, another sign that there's a really good probability of this thing running to, maybe $8 or $9. Now, we do want to see this movement higher happen over a longer period of time. We don't want to see it happen in, maybe a couple days or like tomorrow it hits $9. We don't want to see that because if that were to happen, it is very likely, and I can almost say it's guaranteed that the stock price will come back down. And depending how hard that move was, it would come down very hard. But as far as price targets go, I will say that $9 is a new price target for Nano Dimension if it does close above $7. And also for anyone new to the channel who's more interested in day trading, I would highly recommend you avoid that with this company just because they have a really good service and underlying product already. So if you're trying to short this company or, ride it for the short term, you might make a few bucks, but in the long run, I think you'll end up burned. So if you are interested in Nano Dimension, this is something that you really need to put your research in and understand what kind of potential they have for the future. Because I really think this company in the future is going to be a multi-billion-dollar company, and it's very likely this is going to happen. All the things that have been unfolding for them over the past few years and up until, the past few months, raising all this cash and building new relationships is really setting them up for, the next 3 or 4 years of growth. The thing that I think is positive for Nano Dimension right now as well is the fact that there's a lack of press coverage on Nano Dimension. So if we go on Google and type in Nano Dimension into the search bar and search it under news, we'll see that pretty much a majority of these, if you have experience seeing a lot of these articles, all these websites is just, robot algorithm based web pages. So they just get a bunch of numbers off the public markets and put it into one place and then just put a bunch of text next to it, and it updates every day or every week. I'm not sure how often. So all it does is really just crunch numbers into a template and then it applies it to any stock. So that way, whenever people look it up on Google, then it's going to show up as a search result. But really, these news articles are not news articles. There's no substance to them. It's just talking about stock price and that's it. So if we do get real media coverage on Nano Dimension, that's when we're really going to see this thing start to pop off. And I think the FOMO in Nano Dimension is going to push it into double digits. I don't know if that's going to happen this year. Maybe it'll happen in Q1 of next year. Maybe it'll happen once Nano Dimension shows some more sales, hopefully in Q2 or Q3 of next year. But the point is as soon as they get any real media coverage, the pop in Nano Dimension is going to be pretty large. So I would definitely watch for that. Of course, I can't guarantee anything, but this is something that I'm seeing right now. The price action is very healthy. It's ranging between prices that it's already been to in the recent past. And the more it trades in the same price range, the more conviction and support these price levels get. So it's good to see prices stay within a certain area and slowly move up over time. But yeah, to conclude this video, if I am going to put a price target, it is going to be around $9. Hopefully we see that, a little bit later than sooner. But if it does happen sooner, then, power to us, but I don't think it'll last. So that's it for this video, guys. I want to mention again, thank you guys for helping this channel grow as much as it has over the past few months. Without you guys, this would not be possible. So if you do like watching videos like this, go ahead and hit that like button, and you should even consider subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to hit that bell notification to get notified when I make videos just like this one. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.